If your mornings feel slow after 55, a heavy stomach, or that tight, blocked feeling, and you keep wondering, why does my stomach feel different now compared to my 30s? Then what I'm about to tell you will make instant sense. Here's something most seniors never hear from anyone. It's not age, it's timing. One tiny seed, used at the wrong time, does almost nothing. But the same seed, used at night, can make your next morning feel noticeably lighter. And here's the part that surprises even digestive experts. Most seniors use this seed the wrong way, without realizing it. And the real fix takes less than 20 minutes. Stay with me, because many people over 55 say they start feeling a difference by day 2 or day 3. As we cross 55, our gut quietly changes. The stomach holds food longer, moisture drops, movement becomes slower, and the intestines dry out during sleep. And if you've ever sat in the morning, waiting for your stomach to wake up, you're not alone. Digestive clinics confirm this natural slowdown. But here's the comforting part. It's normal, not a failure of your body. Think about your younger days. When mornings felt light and effortless, this routine helps your body move closer to that natural rhythm again, not by forcing it, but by supporting it gently. And the secret is this: we fix the morning. At night. The seed that works. Better at night. The seed is simple: chia. But most people don't know this twist. Morning chia works, but night chia works 2 to 3 times better after 55. Why? Because soaked chia forms a soft gel that hydrates your intestines exactly when your gut needs help the most, during sleep. Imagine waking up tomorrow without that tight, stuck feeling. Imagine a lighter, calmer morning that doesn't depend on tea or coffee. That's the difference many seniors report once they fix the timing. The mistake, almost everyone makes. Most people add chia into hot porridge, yogurt, milk, smoothies. This sounds healthy, but here's the part nobody talks about. These foods stop chia from expanding the way it should. When chia enters the stomach dry or half expanded, it pulls water from your gut, making digestion feel even tighter. That brick in the stomach feeling? Yes, many seniors unknowingly cause it this way. It's not the seed, it's the timing and the method. But don't worry, the fix is simple, gentle, and completely natural. The one fix that changes everything. Just do this. Let chia expand fully before you drink it. That's it. When chia goes in already soft and hydrated, your gut doesn't lose moisture. Movement becomes smoother. Bloating eases. Waste softens naturally. Think of it like giving your gut a soft cushion to work with, instead of dry, sticky fiber. Same seed, different timing, completely different morning. The night routine. Here is the routine thousands of seniors say changed their mornings. Before I give the steps, listen to this. A 62-year-old viewer recently told me, "Heavy mornings were just part of my life. But after 3 nights of this routine, I woke up feeling light for the first time in years." That's why these steps matter. Step 1. The 20-minute gel. Night. 1 tablespoon chia. Half to 1 glass room temperature water. Let it sit 20 minutes until it becomes a soft gel. This step decides whether chia will help you or work against you. Step 2. Drink 45 to 60 minutes before bed. This window is important. At night, the gut is slow, dry, and tired. The chia gel gives it gentle hydration and helps it move naturally while you sleep. Most people say the shift is noticeable by day 2 or day 3. And don't worry, if nighttime water makes you wake up to use the bathroom, just reduce the water slightly. The routine still works. Step 3. The morning trigger. Before tea or breakfast, drink half a glass of warm water. Warm water acts like a gentle wake-up signal for your stomach and colon. It activates your natural movement response, and makes the chia's night work even smoother. Imagine your gut starting the day calm, hydrated, and ready. Who feels the biggest change? This routine helps the most if you wake up heavy, feel bloated in the morning, depend on tea or coffee to start things, feel pressure after dinner, struggle with slow movement, or have dry or firm stools. If any of this sounds like you, this routine was made for you. What not to do? Avoid these mistakes: mixing chia into hot foods, swallowing dry chia, adding chia without soaking. Just remember this: dry chia makes mornings harder. Soaked chia makes mornings easier. Here's your memory line: 1 seed at night gives you 1 easier morning. Not a diet, not a struggle, just timing and hydration. Natural, gentle, and senior-friendly. Now I'm curious, how do your mornings feel these days? Heavy, slow, tight, or some days better than others? Tell me your age and your morning pattern. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone over 55 who might benefit from easier, lighter mornings. Your support truly helps us reach more seniors who need gentle, science-based guidance.